Hello everyone, welcome to episode 1 of BiteClub, where my dogs do dog toy reviews. For our first episode, our dogs will be reviewing this puppy toy, and drumroll please, it is the Nylabone Puppy Starter Kit. I purchased this at Petco for $6.99, and enter pro tip, at Petco you can price match in store to their website, and usually their website is way cheaper than the prices you find in stores. So with this puppy starter kit, there are 3 bones, and the package tells you to start with this bone on the left, which kind of looks gel-like, and apparently it's chicken flavored, and then your puppy is supposed to quote-unquote graduate to the white bone in the middle here. And lastly, we have this bone on the right, which looks like it's fully edible for your puppy, while the first 2 are just supposed to be there for chewing. So looking at the back, aha! So I see here that this first bone is softer for teething puppies, and it has the chicken flavor throughout. And then after a few months, once your puppy has gotten all of their adult teeth, they can graduate to this middle bone here for active chewing. Then this last bone is actually just a bacon flavored treat for your puppy once they are over 6 months old to eat and enjoy. So overall, these bones are supposed to discourage destructive chewing, fight boredom, and occupy and entertain your puppy. So let's see if that actually is what happens with my puppy. Right now, my puppy Enzo is just under 4 months, so he'll only be able to chew on the first bone right now, but I'll go ahead and post follow-up videos to see how he enjoys the other 2 once he gets a little bit older. But yeah, let's go ahead and give this to Enzo and see how he likes it. It's been about 2 weeks now, and here's my review of the Nylabone Puppy Starter Kit. Durability. While Enzo had it, he was able to chew off a small bit of it, but the second our older dogs Toru and Kiara got a hold of it, it was down to this tiny piece within 30 minutes. 3 out of 5 paws. Price. After price matching this toy, it was only $6.99 for 3 separate chew bones, which is pretty good when I usually see these kind of chew bones for $3 to $5 a piece. 5 out of 5 paws. Creativeness/engagement with my dogs. There was nothing too crazy about the shape of this toy. It was just a classic chew bone. However, each of the dogs really enjoyed chewing on it, which I'm thinking is because of the embedded chicken flavor it had. So with this, 4 out of 5 paws. Build quality. Considering this is a puppy toy and it took Enzo a few hours of chewing to get a piece off of it, the quality wasn't that bad. However, for the older dogs, which I know it's technically not for, but when they got a hold of it, they were able to chew through it pretty quickly. So with this, I'd give it a 3.5 out of 5 paws. So as for my final decision, I would buy this toy again for a puppy. I like that it had 3 separate bones for different stages in your puppy's first year. However, with that, you'd have to make sure that you keep track of where you store the bones in between times, since there's a few months in between when your puppy can graduate from one bone to the next. But overall, Enzo really liked it and it kept him entertained for hours. And most importantly, it kept him from chewing my shoes. So yeah, would definitely buy again for another puppy. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!